Today we will talk about signs you've been hacked, how to restore data and prevention of data leaking to the internet. Stick around till the end to find out more about what you have been doing wrong. Hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss an update. There is no one way you can be hacked but many. And it is very important in today's world that you know how to recognize these signs, so you can take action against them. It is no secret that anti-malware software is inaccurate and cannot be trusted for your cybersecurity. Some of the signs that leave no shadow of a doubt that you have been hacked are: 1. When you receive a message asking to pay a ransom to restore access to your lost data. 2. When you receive a warning that alerts you about the virus present in your system and suggests that you need to download an antivirus. It later offers a free fake antivirus. 3. When you start seeing random pop-ups on your screen frequently. 4. When you find an unwanted browser toolbar that did not exist before. 5. When you receive a notification from someone that you have been hacked. 6. When your searches on the internet start getting redirected. 7. When your cursor moves between programs and makes selections by itself. 8. When your friends receive a social media invitation from you that you never sent. 9. When you start having unexpected software installed on your device. 10. When your confidential data gets leaked. 11. When your antivirus and task manager get disabled. The first step you need to take after you find out that your system is hacked is to restore your data before proceeding with any other task. Just click on the Restore button. As we have always been taught, prevention is the best cure. That learning fits here more than anything else. If you have been keeping a hope against hope that your anti-malware program can thoroughly detect the virus and protect your network from any malicious hacking attack, then that, we would say, is no less than a recipe for disaster. Restore computer. The best way to fight against malware is to always stay alert and look out for common signs of being hacked. If avoiding risk is your top priority, make sure you restore your computer. Since once your device has been compromised, there is no going back. Malware has the potential to hide in places that usually remain unnoticed. All you can do then to save your computer from a data breach is to start from scratch. How to prevent hackers? Kill your network and start an IR investigation if you see unexpected traffic that you cannot explain. Some of the most common malicious hackings have been seen to originate from either Trojan horse programs, phishing emails, or unpatched software programs. If you are not planning to depend on mere luck and the effectiveness of your antivirus, ensure that you and your team have enough tools, techniques, and training to prevent your business from those 3 common origins of hacking. Cyberware AI. To protect your business from a data breach, causing not just loss of data, but financial as well as a reputational loss, Cyberware AI offers various cybersecurity services including vulnerability assessment and management, cybersecurity awareness training, phishing tests program, pentest program, and more. These services aren't particularly useful and affordable for just big enterprises but also small and medium-sized businesses. Cyberware AI is also a U.S. military registered vendor. We have battle-proven experience safeguarding U.S. government assets all over the world. Some of the common mistakes. 1. You have the same password for everything. 2. You believe unbelievable deals. 3. You engage with suspicious-looking emails. 4. Your password is weak. 5. You don't expect it to happen to you. 6. You turned off your updates of apps and OS. 7. You ignore account alerts. 8. You use public Wi-Fi. 9. Your activity on social media gives hackers information. That is all for now. If you find this video useful, please hit that like and subscribe button, and press the bell icon, so you never miss an update again.